I welcome you to this live broadcast. And before we move forward, I want you to like the video, comment, and tell us what you think about what we're about to discuss. I know you have seen the title. I know most of you will be like, wow, let me see what this person wants to say about this. You know, it's not, if you actually click on the video, on this video, to know why PM is, what I said PM is on the run, and maybe you click because you believed. In fact, I put it intentionally. Let me just be, I want to be, let me lie in this video. Lie in the sense, the meaning of the title. The title you are seeing now. Some of you from the other camp, from DOS and IPOB, people who believe they want to maintain structure, let me mention that you are here to know, oh, finally he's on the run. Finally, he's running, right? You see, you need to question your reasoning. You need to question your ability to think. Most of people from these people, DOS, that are talking today and trying to attack PM and all that, before now, before the kidnap of Mazaman Kanu, do we know who you are actually? Do we actually know that you are a warrior? That you are even in IPOB, let alone being a media warrior and the rest of them. But today, every mushroom is coming out to talk. Why I say mushroom, I'm not good insulting anybody. If you know me, you know me. I'm a quiet person in terms of the way I talk, but I'm not quiet to allow you to ride over me. And I don't need to be fool or a foolish person for you to validate that I'm not a quiet person or that I am a strong person. And I don't need that. And actually, I don't need such validation. But truth be told, most of you actually think that PM is your problem. And you are sending people every now and then to come out and say nonsense, to yap nonsense. And I want to remind you that Igbo people and Biafrans are not foolish. Do you understand? Igbo people and Biafrans are not foolish. They know what to do, who to follow, who to listen to. You guys, if you believe really that after reading the title of this video, oh, this guy is on the run, like I said, you need to question your reasoning. I know why I said that. There's a video that I want to bring to you. Please, if you are joining us, if you are just joining, or you are going to watch the video later, let me use the opportunity to beg you to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Okay. The first person to comment here is from India. I can see he said Africa. And I said to you, Asia. Asia. How are you, Asia? Because to you, when you say Africa, people will Africa is better than many of the, if not all the continents. So we know our problem. Don't bring Africa issue here. Yes, I am proud of where I come from, and you that are from Asia, I hope you are proud of yourself as well. Now, this video is not about attacking you because you believe IPOB, you believe in a maintenance structure. You want to be a political, form a political party in agitation like this. This video is not for that. What I'm trying to tell you here is that attacking PM is actually, you are actually, bringing yourself down. You have to go down 10 times to bring PM or Biafrans down, just to drag them one step down. You have to work harder, and not that you're not even, it's not even a guarantee that you will actually win, like that you will drag anybody after going down in an attempt to drag Biafran or PM down. You may end up, being drowned. So these are things you need to consider before you embark on such journey. It's not a child play. And anybody that have fought PM in the past should know better. So I am the kind of person that if I want to do something, I need to look at someone or people that have done that in the past to know the outcome, to prepare myself for that. Go and check your I'm not your background, but check history of PM and people who fought him. Now, why I'm saying all this thing, because there's a new face that surfaced today. I don't know her. Just like I don't know many people before the kidnap of Martin Namonogan. I used to hear Metisela, but I have not seen his video or know him. In fact, to be honest with you, I don't even care to know him then. And after the kidnap of Martin Namonogan, let me tell you before then, let me tell you people that we used to see. And I'm commenting from background of an ordinary Biafra, like somebody who is an Igbo man or Igbo boy or Igbo lad. The way you want to put it is up to you. You understand? So I am not in IPOB meeting or member or oath member or ESN. Name it. I'm not. I'm not. So I don't need to come here to start lying to you. The way you are listening to me now, for some of you that are just started after obedient, you just to say, okay, let me know what they're talking about, that I'm not fed up of. Then I was like that. I was like listening to Master Khan to learn about where I come, because Master Khan's broadcast is like a school. No matter how the number of degree you have in school, you need to listen to Master Khan to equip yourself with more knowledge. He's that kind of knowledgeable. But then people we used to see like an ordinary person. I'm not saying that I'm still an ordinary person. I'm not holding any post. What I mean by ordinary person is that, like, you are talking about where you are discussing about where I come from. You are discussing about my town, my village, my nationality, my race. Okay? All I need to do is to pay attention to hear what you are saying. You that are watching me now, if let me say that you are, let me assume that you are watching me, you are from Abo. I'm not from Abo, Delta State. Then I now on my camera and my video is out the way it is now, and I start talking about Abo people. And you are from Abo. You are hearing what I'm saying, and I'm talking, I was like telling, saying something about Abo that is many people don't know. And most of those things are not real. I mean, it's a formulated story. You that come from Abo, you will be like, what is he talking about? Is it this thing that I know that you want to lecture me about? That is what I'm talking about. Most of them that we are hearing today, they are talking about what we already know. I know where I come from. I know this, and you want to lecture me about what I know already. And I know that what you are saying is totally different from what I know, because that's where I come from. I don't need anybody to lecture me how black people looks. I am a black man. I don't need anybody to lecture me how Igbo people language sound, because I'm from Igbo. I don't need anybody to lecture me on how African food tastes, because that is my food. I don't need anybody to lecture me how we appoint our Igwe, our king. I don't need you to tell me. I don't need you to lecture me on how our masquerade used to dance, our cultural dance. These are things that I grew up with. So you talking about it from another angle is just like you are teaching someone that know better than you. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now then, we don't used to see many faces like what we have today. And all of them believed that they are too knowledgeable to tell us about our freedom, about our identity, about where we come from, about things about ourselves. That's what they believe. How can you teach me what I already know? I am from Igbo man. I'm an Igbo man. You are telling me in an Igbo today, there's nobody sitting at home, knowing fully well that I have people there, knowing fully that that's where I come from. I can call my market, my village market, to ask them, to know, to verify. And you on social media telling me that there's no sit at home, that the person talking about that nobody listens to him. He's just talking on his own. I mean, sometimes you ask yourself a question. Ask yourself, am I actually doing what I'm supposed to do? Oparapo, I see you, my dear. He said, keep it up. All here, Biafra and nations. God bless you for that. Please, if you are joining me now, like the video. So today we have seen another new face, apart from what we normally see. I don't even know where she just come from, and started talking about PM. You know, that will catch you. These people, they are so delusional. People who cannot, I mean, I don't like it. I don't like to insult people, but your actions are pushing us to say things that you may not like. I'm not the kind of person that I don't believe that insulting you will make you to change. I don't believe that. But your action is an insult to me. Do you know that when you are talking about that the Igbo land is insecurity in Igbo land, you are insulting us? Do you know that? When you channel your energy, telling us that there's somebody who have prevented massacre of our people the way they massacred in Benue. Somebody and group of people, let me not even use someone so they will not say, okay, PM is doing it. No, 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 no. These are Biafrans doing what it takes to prevent, genocide. The way you guys are witnessing it in Benue today is not hidden. In the northeast, in Plateau State, in Zamfara State, the list go on and on. Somebody that said, no, I can see what is happening to my neighbor, and I will not allow it to happen here. You now turn around and start telling us that he is a criminal, that he is the one causing the insecurity. You said it 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. You are still saying the same thing. You really think that people that are hearing what you are saying, they have not done their research and come back to check what you are saying? If I am here to tell you that Simon Ekpa, okay, let me not use Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister. Let me not use him so that it will not be as if because I love him. Let me use somebody like your favorite politician, P2B. If I come here and start telling you that P2B, that he eats Anna Ahmad, not a war, but no, that he don't take water, he take blood. And I said that 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years, I'm still saying the same thing. Do you really think that people that close to P2B, people that are close to P2B, they have not seen what they have not heard me, they have not watched my video or hear what I said? Is that what it means? Or people that come from a village, or people that are, do you really think that people don't do research to check what I said if it is true? I watched some video that is trending today, yesterday and today, of course. People saying that, when they were saying that IPOB is responsible of mass non-recognition rendition, that they don't believe that. It was hard for them to believe. But after seeing what new people are doing now, that they are now, it seems like that. In fact, that thing is true. That is the way they want to verify that rumor. Do you understand what I mean? So then you ask yourself, how long does it take them to verify that? And then compare it with people who say that they are maintaining structure for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. You understand? If you allow, and they keep on coming, changing faces, paying people. That is stupidity. Don't you have other things to say? I mean, must you stick on one propaganda? It shows how gullible and senseless you can be. Because if you are smart enough, at least you can create another lie that looks like real. And since you want to maintain relevance, why don't you use that to start doing? But to people that know what you actually know, because there are some people in this life that if you like it for them once, 2, 3, everything you say they'll subject that to verification before they believe you. So that's why you find it difficult for you to have your own followers now. How many people follows you? How many people? Now, hear this. How many of you know this pastor called Pastor Eddie? Pastor Eddie. Is he Eddie or Eddie? How many of you know him? This woman looks like his sister. That funny pastor on TikTok that are, entertaining people. If you have not watched his video, then you are not following PM on Earth. There was a time PM shared his video, and that's how I get to know him, to be honest. Now, listen to this woman. Just pay attention.
Devil will punish. Mama, devil will punish you. Devil will punish you. Punish your generation. We are coming one by one to all of you. You think we are joking? You think we don't know what we are doing? You think we be like a berry man, only to come on media, to come and dance with champagne, to come and dance with drink, alcohol when you say you go kill him. You think we are like that? You think we are like that? Do you see this my eye like somebody doesn't know what he's doing? Idiot, autopilot, all of you, you guys are a bunch of fools. You guys are a bunch of fools. You guys are a bunch of fools. Egberima, you are a bunch of fools. You are idiots. Criminal like you be. The day I will catch you. Egberima, the day I will catch you in Europe, in Africa, the day I will catch you. That's your power when you say you get. That's your power when you say you get. Me, I will let you down like ball. Go and bet it. I will let you down. You, Egberima. You said you are fighting freedom. You are killing our people, forcing sit at home, making our mother run even that is run for a dear life, leave picking for ground. You commit those havoc in our land. Samuel Ekpa and autopilota. Samuel Ekpa and autopilota. Even by now, our leaders are supposed to be released by now. Do you know Samuel Ekpa and his cohort of autopilot? You guys are the one that caused it. Do you know this? Because you are working for the Nigerian government. We know it.
So, what do you have to say about this? Somebody that cannot, you can't even catch your skin. I mean, you can't even catch your own skin. To be proud of your skin, you are not even proud of your skin. You are here with a cow and a lime mixed together. Because you can't, I don't think you can afford carrot white. The carrot white is made for some special people that are there representing some people in the court. You know what I mean? You yourself, you can't even catch your compression, like to maintain your skin. And you are talking about how the day you catch PM. All I need to say is that everybody have right to say what they want to say. But even if you want to lie, why don't you just lie like you are lying good? I mean, put some lies that looking at you, you are threatening people. You are in Europe. For you to catch PM, why don't you start catching his record? Then you'll be able to catch him physical. I mean, academically, strength, of course, then knowledge, which is, we may say, academic, and his contact, what he have done where he's residing in Finland. Why don't you start trying to replicate the same thing where you are living? I mean, start join political party if you have papers, so you understand. Start doing something they have done where he's living, so that people will know you the way they know him there. Then start from there. But you know, our people, black people always want to put their hand where they cannot even get. I mean, you are not up to, but you are aiming that in. Why don't you pay attention to know why the person is there, so that you can see if you can climb to him and do what you want to do. This one is just like a goat threatening a lion. I mean, it's laughable. It's laughable. But what do we know? Our own is to hear you, listen to you now, of course, and compare it to what we already know. When you talk, they say, "Oh, you guys are supporting Ekberima. You are supporting evil." I don't know how are we supporting evil. How are we even supporting Ekberima? That's where Ekberima is Ekberima to you now. He's Ekberima, right? Are we the one holding touch? Because you guys say that he's a criminal. So he's robbing people from house to house. So are we the one now holding touch for him to go and rob people? I mean, you need to explain all those things, because somehow I don't blame people, because I blame PM sometimes. He allowed most of you to be using his name, calling him all manner of names, and you guys are living in a country where he can sue you people to come and explain how he is a criminal. Now, you are not living in Africa. There's some things you need to understand, because some of them that travel to Europe through Mediterranean Sea, some of them don't even understand the law of the country where they're living. Do you know that PM can sue you with your video evidence? If there's difference between calling him a Ekpa on comment section than you putting your video start, like as I'm now, as I was saying, China Sowolu is a Ekpa, he's a criminal. I don't have any evidence to come in that. I can only say that I don't like what he's saying, I don't like what I think he's doing. But for me to say, oh, he's a Ekpa, no. You are crossing the boundary, but because you guys are trying to prove to people that are sponsoring you to know that you are very, very vocal on social media. But PM, I understand the reason why PM is not pushing hard to make sure that he teach you guys lesson, because he wants everybody to feel inclusive, that he can endure insult. Me, I don't get that grace. You understand? If I'm in the level of PM, I don't have that grace. I don't have it. You love to insult, you love to slander people's name. There's a limit. If you do it more, I will slander you with what I know that I have. I will slander you, because slander you in a civilized way, by suing you in a way that you will end up regretting what, and others will learn from that. Imagine the one in Germany. You are living in Germany, and every now and then you have to come to court to explain the meaning of Ekpa, number one. Two, you have to tell the whole world, tell the court what I have taken from you. How is it? How am I a criminal? Because you are calling me a criminal, slandering my name on the internet. PM, because they don't understand that PM is, when people say PM a good guy, that's a reason for that. None of you have received even Kunkum pick milk, Kunkum pick milk as an award, appreciation from even your kindred, your own, to say, wow, you are our son, you are a peacekeeper. We are honoring you. You are award today. No. Let alone international global organization recognizing you the way they recognize PM. Kruma, I see you. Please thumbs up and share the message, go viral. Thank you so much for your time, and please help me click on the like button. And if you are new, do me a favor, subscribe. We need subscription here on this channel. The more you subscribe, the more people that will watch the video. Because some of us don't understand the intention of these people. When you hear them saying Ekpa, that's the reason for that. One thing, because they don't know how to differentiate between somebody that's a Ekpa and someone that have stopped you from your criminality. Do you understand? That is what Africans are known for. Our people are used to that. Once, if you see a criminal telling you that he's a gallant officer, a security personnel, a homie, do you know me? This is my office, this is where I am. And that office is used you are using that office for criminality. And that office name could be, anti-robbery, whatever, anti-criminal, you understand? And that office will be the place that will transact with kidnappers. When you stop, they say, oh, why will you say that? But that is truth. PM, to them, what they consider as a Ekpa, that made him Ekpa to them, is stopping fundraising that goes to individual account. Is stopping fundraising that nobody will give account. Is stopping fundraising that people will use to pay the house rent and all that. PM joined IPOB just like every other person, and he was doing something that none of them could do. I said this in one of my videos. I don't know if it's live video or normal video. I made mention that before PM joined IPOB, before he followed the Mass Namakan, before he came to IPOB, Tony Nado was busy slandering the name of Mass Namakan. And none of these media, remember they said they have media warriors. Do you know what it means? When you say warriors, it's just like the way some people in West Africa and Nigeria are claiming that they are general. Bearing the name of general, you must have come to war and do one or two things and command. But it's a title given by Kaba. Once you are good, you are obedient to me, I will come, you are general today. And by so doing, your salary is up there. That's what I'm doing. That media warrior, e-warrior, this and that, that we are formidable. Copy. Why can't you copy Masnamanakan's style of broadcast? You copy the style of his words, the way he talk. You copy some of the English word that he used. His wife. Some people say his ex. I don't know that, but we're waiting for the conclusive part of the whole thing. That one came on and started using some words that are not conducive against PM. All of them picked it up. That is what they're known for. That's what they're known for. Cheme, Wokoro, I see you. Thank you for your comment. Good day, watching. You are always making sense. Keep up the good work. God bless you. Erin is here, one of us. Greeting to you, Kai. Thanks for your good work. No matter what they say, our PM, nobody can stop him. Biafra is here. Hit the like button and share. My sister, commenting. Thank you so much. So, whenever you see them talking all this, saying all this nonsense, like let me know the from what I was saying. That was talking about Tony Nadi. Tony Nadi was busy abusing Masnamanakan. So that's the Masnamanakan, I'm not saying that this is what I felt. I'm not saying that Masnamanakan said that, but I felt like he run out of any means of defending himself from what Tony Nadi was talking about. Because a criminal, one thing about someone that is a criminal, someone that have criminal tendency, is that they always resist anything. Even if you want to push, they will resist, and they will keep on repeating the same thing over and over again, thinking that they are getting to your nerves. But they will eventually fade away when you know their target and what they want, and you resist. You resist them, just like what PM is doing now, resisting the attack. Some people say that why PM is that he's very strong, and if upon all the attack that is not weighing him down. This attack is not weighing PM down simply because he's not guilty of what this they're saying. If you are guilty and people bash on you like that, my dear, no matter how strong your skin, that is one of the, no matter how your skin is, you are going to give up. What I'm saying now is best way to know if PM is a criminal, and if he's an agent like they're claiming to be, because calling PM agent is just like saying, hello guys, what I have on my score. Other people are having brain, but what I have here is a cam. What I have is PAP. Because how is he government agent? Forget about Biafra. Let us discuss this on a normal ground, like in our day-to-day life. Somebody is making you feel pain. You that are watching me now, I'm just using you. I just want to put you in a position of Nigeria as a state. Okay, somebody is giving you headache in terms of whatever the person is doing is against what you want, and your cousin is telling you that that person that is causing you pain is your agent, like in your family. Somebody is disturbing, causing problem for you, not your family, for you. Then one of your cousin, it could be distant cousin, is telling that person go to your family meeting and start telling them that this person that is causing you problem is your own agent. Does it make sense? And this problem that is causing you is not secret. You are crying, yearning for help, and people are reluctant because they know that you are the one that are actually pushing this person to do what he's doing. Everybody know, even your family members know that you are the one that you have done something terrible to this person, and he or she is trying to push back, and your cousin is somewhere. telling, hello guys, that this person that is causing Ngozi Eka problem is Ngozi Eka's agent. What is sense in that? So that is why I look at it. And ndị Igbo na-ekwu kasị na ifere mere nwanne oyi isi ebe isi bịara isula ofe wee sula aja because ọ da-afụ n'ụzọ bịa o sula ofe wee sula aja wee tie n'ọnụ. Ị ga-akọwa ọkụ ikuku anya, you start scratching your eyes because you're, let me say it in English for those of some of us that are not you don't understand Igbo language, like somebody whose brother who have a blind relation or a brother or sister that is blind, that you will start you feel ashamed when your blind relative or relation is eating some food in the public and he mistakes the food with the sand. By, if you want to maybe rice, you want to use spoon and take rice, and he takes sand and put in his mouth. You as a brother to that blind person, you will be the one to feel shy or ashamed of what your brother have done. By then you start scratching your eyes as if something is wrong with your eye, but you are doing that out of shame because this your brother that is blind have brought shame to you in the public. That's how we feel when you hear some of these people yapping nonsense on social media, thinking that they're making sense, exposing their gullibility and senselessness. That is how it is. Now, let me play her video again. I'm not going to show her face. Listen to what she said here.
Mama, devil will punish you. Devil will punish you. Punish your generation. We are coming one by one to all of you. You think we are joking?
This is, I played the video from beginning to the end before. It's just this 1 minute 52 seconds video that PM just cut out and post. Without PM sharing it, who cares to listen to that? I don't have any time to start work because they will spend 4 hours broadcasting, and at the end of it all, you will see 100 and something view, 200, and most of those people that are viewing that are busy. People that want to bash them on comment section to insult them. They don't care because that is what they normally do. They'll do that to maintain relevance, looking for view. By you spend all the time without having a reasonable view on your channel. And some of the channels have 5,000, 4,000 subscribers, which is good enough for you to generate at least 1,000 view or 1,000 plus, but you hardly get that until Biafrans like PM share this. The Biafra will so let me go and watch the complete video. That's how they get their view. So they should be thankful to PM. You understand? You should be thankful because with that, one, you are using his name to generate the view. 2, you are using his name to make money internally and externally. Because one, internally, people that hired you will pay you more money when you talk about Ekpa, especially when Ekpa shared that your video. When he shared your video, he's Ekpa shared your video. Now you are happy that Ekpa shared the video, and that video that Ekpa shared will bring more followers, not followers, more view, because no sensible Biafra will follow you. And that's just the fact. That's why if you like to talk from now to Duncan.com, you get 0 follower. I can mention many Biafrans that were supporting them and later change, and their channel start growing. Their channel have grown to a mega platform. I don't want to mention it so that I will not be an insult to anybody. But before, I used to follow you. I know what you are doing, how you are praising, praising IPOB and all that. But immediately you shift from that praising IPOB to PM and Biafra come in-Exile, go and see the followers. And after testifying all those things, after seeing all those things that you don't want to say in public, you still go back and start telling Biafrans that he's using fake people to comment. Because they are surprised. How is it that people are listening to PM? How? One of them, and Yoruba people are very good in editing, like not editing, in forgery. They started, designing nonsense stickers. There's one they made that looked like a NEPA office where you see a lot of meter. And what you have there is phone accessories. And they say that this is the media, this is the room where Ekpa pay people to generate and view and the followership and other nonsense. Because they are worried, they are concerned, they are confused. How is it that this guy is moving ahead? Sometimes I don't know if they are caused or something, because you should know better that the reason is because Biafrans understand their problem, then they're following people, someone who is providing solution to the problem. Listen to her. She wants to threaten people. We are coming after you one by one. The day I will catch you. That is threat, open threat.
You think we don't know what we are doing? You think we be like a berima?
The truth is that you think we don't know what you are doing. Honestly, you don't know what you are doing. Even you yourself know you are aware that you don't know what you are doing. That's why you are first to ask that question. You think I don't know what you are asking that because you are bothered. Maybe people actually know that we don't know what you are doing. You know? And so you are out of that worry, in that confusion, in that state of confusion. You want to see if people think what you are thinking within you, because that's how God wired us. You need to sometimes fear start from you before you are in your face. You start doubting yourself, then all of a sudden you'll be the one confessing it. That it's like I am messing up here. Before you even open your mouth to say you are messing up, you have already had that in you. And that's what this woman is saying here. With akawo cream on it. And then natural struggle. But you can't even be proud of who you are.
Only to come on media, to come and dance with champagne, to come and dance with drink, alcohol when you say you go kill him.
How did you know that alcohol killed? Because you are talking out of experience. Anyway, that's your own belief. But the truth is that you are actually bothered about the way he danced. That dancing that he danced, you see the smile on PM face, the dance, it's just like somebody, you went to a native doctor to do charm to buy somebody, or to cause pain, or to inflict pain on somebody, and that person is dancing. And you have wasted your money, waste your time. Maybe probably they asked to sleep in a graveyard so that this person will receive the pain quicker. And after you must have done all those things, the person is dancing and having fun. Aye. That is the pain. She's here, pouring out her grievances. That she's the one that created it. You just gave yourself problem, because this man you're attacking now did not stay your yam. He did not take your fowl. He did not stop your livelihood. All he did to stop your criminality, to even save your soul, because when you buy, God will ask you about what you have done, right? So he actually helped you to deliver you from all the wrong doing that you guys are driving joy from. You should be proud of him. Do you know what it means what the money eating the Biafran money Biafran people contribute? You are siphoning it and conniving in making people of is not good, and it's not something that you should be proud of. You should be proud of. And Biafran case is not something ordinary. Do you know that people died for that, and the blood of innocents is not something that you can joke with. Listen to her again.
You think we are like that? You think we are like that? Do you see this my eye like somebody doesn't know what he's doing?
Your eyes, to be honest with you, your eyes look like the eyes of a confused woman. And some of them think that when they sound like this, you start, all of a sudden you start thinking, oh, it's like I'm misjudging these people. It's like I am misjudging them. Oh, let me be careful. If you follow this live stream, this broadcast from the beginning, I said something, and let me say it again. That if you know where you come from, you don't need anybody to start lecturing you your village masquerade. If you grew up in a village, you don't need people to start teaching you how your village masquerade dance, or how you guys, the kind of dishes or dish that come from, like food that come from your village, your local food. I mean, you don't need somebody to tell you how many market days you have in your community. You don't need anybody to tell you how you people say come and go in your language. There are some things that you can't learn it anymore. You don't need to learn it anymore because it is in you. Anybody that claims that he is online trying to teach you this kind of thing, this is your value system. You don't know it, and you're supposed to know it. You grew up in a village on your community. These are basic things you need to know. Coming online to learn to pretend that you're teaching people what they know is laughable. Just like that a video that one guy, I've been trying to avoid discussion about his matter, but let me say this about him. They called him somebody Dibia. What's the name of this? Somebody Dibia. They called him a very young guy that claimed that he's a historian, that he knows Igbo more than. This short video that I watched about from him. Somebody caught that part anyway, where he was saying that that computer system started from Igbo land, that Igbos are the first people that is called binary, that binary is called Akwa Bata Akwa. These are fake information. You don't that you have that kind of knowledge about it. I'm not saying that Igbos are Dundee. What I'm saying is that you don't say that Igbos, the computer started from Igbo land because we did not build computer. We did not, and a lot of things that the guy says that I disagree is too many, and I've seen some people clapping for him. Not what's the name of that? I want to mention his name. His name is always on my head. I don't know why I want to talk about him now, and this just disappeared. Maybe I will have time to flash one of his videos and say something about it. But it's laughable, very, very, very funny. Very, very funny indeed. How is it that a young guy of his age, he claims that he knows everything, and when you listen to him, you can see him contradicting himself in the name of I am too knowledgeable to pay attention to the truth. I don't have anything to say about it, but all I can say, if you want to believe him, believe him. People are following the matter, says that. So what about his own, of course, will be a multitude of followers. But you can't teach people what they know. That's the summary of what I want to say. There's something you need to know, that this thing is beyond your capability.
Idiot, autopilot, all of you guys are a bunch of fools. You guys are a bunch of fools. You guys are a bunch of fools. Ekberima, you are a bunch of fools. You are idiots. Criminal like you be. The day I will catch you, Ekberima, the day I will catch you in Europe, in Africa, the day I will catch you.
So she felt that after saying what she's saying now is enough for PM to start hiding and running away from her. This is somebody who can never ever, have a live broadcast or a video where he's saying that Finland people are the one causing problem in our land. She can't do that. She can't. Why? Because she's afraid. Then somebody who is doing that thing that you're afraid of is the one that you are threatening that the day will catch you. Do you know her backup, where she will have the strength that she's talking about? The same government that told you that they want to liberate you from. Just like Uche said that Nigerian government will have their way on PM. What again do you need? What evidence again are you looking for? And when they're saying those things, they think that people don't pay attention to the tone of your words and what you're actually saying. Do you really think that anybody, even me, I don't pray that Nigerians will be, you can't hear me saying that Nigerians should be fired or they should delete them. No. Because I believe that a human being, that you are fighting for freedom does not mean that you need to turn to a terrorist. Nobody supports terror. Nobody. Unless you are defending yourself and the people who actually want to buy you start calling you terror, that you're a terrorist, then it simply means they're not happy that you are defending yourself, which is what they're doing technically.
That's your power when you say you get. That's your power when you say you get. Me, I will let you down like ball. Go and bet it. I will let you down. You, Ekberima. You said you are fighting freedom. You are killing our people, forcing sit at home. making our mother.
You know, it's not as if they love you because of this at home. When you hear them for sit at home and sit at home should stop. There's, let me say this, there are few things they won't achieve with that. People in Nigerian politicians from Igbo land, they won't achieve one thing, and that thing is to remain relevant. Okay, they want people to see that they still have say in the land. That's number one. Not because they are worried about the money that you are losing. No, they are not. Second thing, people that are in DOS, that are claiming they are fighting for Biafra, they don't like sit at home just because they want to remain relevant. They want to be seen as people who say something and it happened. That battle started and they fell woefully. Then for them to explain the reason why they have failed, they have to divine another way of covering up this failure by telling you that this guy is well sponsored by government, that the government are the one using him. Then you will not ask yourself, because they're trying to play on your intelligence, and at the same time they're insulting you, that you are not able to reason. How? What they're trying to tell you is that you claim that you're supporting freedom, you are following Mazen Mekano, yes, and you claim that Mazen Mekano is against Nigerian government, and Nigerian government know that, yes. They will not tell you, they're not trying to make it look like this government is the one behind somebody that causes it at home, that government himself are complaining about. Then have you seen, you now ask yourself, have you seen any government agents of Nigeria, like be it even a TV or radio station, that is promoting sit at home? So that you can answer, okay, it's true, when this guy says sit at home, people are discussing on their TV, on their radio station, to make people to believe that truly that PM and Nigerian government are the one that are working hand in hand. Kai report, nobody knows this. Nobody knows this. She says she's a goat. I don't know her. This is first time of seeing this face. Somebody just recruit. If they recruit you, maybe 2020, 2023, 2022, you open a platform and think that you are going to say something that will make sense, that will convince someone that have been following the whole thing since 2012 or 2013. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 9 years, somebody have followed Mazen Mekano or listening to what is going on and comparing things and contrast, compare and contrast, looking if everything that Mazen Mekano said about Nigeria, the time to validate it, to examine that, have come and gone, and that knowledge had been sealed. Just understand it. And you that are from nowhere, jump. Not that you are even. It's not even that you are keeping yourself updated to know what is going on, what has happened, to balance things so that you can present something without anybody pushing you to go and say this and say that. And you see where I put full stop. You see where I put comma. No, they don't have time for that. How can you lecture somebody that knows what is already out there? There's no way. They are attacking sit at home for these two reasons: to remain relevant, not because they care about the money that they claim that you are losing. They don't give a damn about your money. Whatever you want to do with your money, opening shop or not, they don't care. It's none of their business. Remove that battle of relevancy, my dear. Whether you open shop or no open shop, they don't care, as long as every Monday you pay tax for the week. Do you understand? Or every month you pay tax, they don't care. So, but when you see people killing our women, killing our children, I challenge any of them to present a video that he or she has made in details of what happened on Mazagano's house, where you pour your grievances on the people that are responsible for killing 28 youth. All are men, people's wife are people's children, people's husband and people's brothers and uncle. You buy them. And none of them that I say they're a warrior, a media warrior, have the temerity to come out and discuss about the way forward or even condemn wage war against people who buy people in the Mazagano. You claim the Mazagano, quote unquote, is your leader, your everything, you follow him. But people went to his house, and on an attempt to buy him, he escaped. 28 other men that has nothing to do with people that went down. And you that are media warrior, you don't talk about it. Guess what we are focusing on? PM. If you really care about buying of our people, like you claim, you are putting it out there that for people to see that you are so lovely, you are a humanitarian. What stops you from discussing about people that are being bought before PM join? Those ones are not human being enough. No, they're not human being enough. What they are fighting is relevance, not love. They will present killing our people, women and children, killing is wrong. I'm not saying that killing is good. Whoever that kills is wrong. But what I'm saying is that why are you not talking about people that died before? Why are you now blackmailing people, blackmailing PM, or people that you don't even have evidence that PM is one? My people, we can go on and on trying to, on an attempt to explain this to let our people know what they want to achieve actually, but you cannot cover the truth now, can you? You can't. Let me go back. Today is Monday. Let's go through sit at home today. The way sit at home is going on in Biafra land. Some of you have not liked the video, and I don't know why. Or Kambolu or before I like a video. Like the video, click on the like button. PM posted do you forget December 2nd? Do not forget December 2nd. The mighty say, the Miguel say he go cast. The Miguel say he go cast. And Omo Arturo Ekperima, autopilot, shouted, Oko Jehovah. This guy, which I get the queer, to be honest with you. And we are coming to that. Maybe we are going to write on that later. Another thing, let me just focus on the sit at home because there are some updates from PM platform here, but we need to focus on the sit at home. Sit at home today being 4th November 2024. This video is coming to you live at the moment. This is not recorded video. You are watching me live. So let's start with sit at home today. So that was in Anambra State, sit at home in Oka, and this one is Oka as well. So that is from PM, sit at home today. Let me, this is another update for sit at home.
4th of November is a remarkable day in the eyes of the world. Our state have done it again. You can see the beauty of sit at home. The pin drop sound can be half.
This is Abia State, Aba.
From far. Everywhere is cool and calm. Yes, Charlie. This global news reporting from Ekpa State. This shopping center, this is a market that would have going on. They can see they are shut down there, but no one forced them. It's awesome. They're keeping the fire burning. And we thank God for what God is doing. What a beautiful moment. Thank you, Father, for every good thing that is happening now is awesome. It's a beautiful move. That is wonderful. We can see everywhere is shut down. No one can go against it. Yeah. It started here is on 200%. It's awesome. Yeah, keep all the fire burning, my brother. It's awesome. The government is reporting. If we say to Saya, they will. It's a roundabout. That's the only jam and lock. Always go slow traffic everywhere. It's not so empty as anything. That's the influence of BRGIA.
So that is the sit at home, and this is another one.
It's a roundabout. That's the only jam and lock. Always go slow traffic.
So the sit at home is on, very much on in Biafra land. This is another one that I want to share with you. As we can see here.
4th of November and 24th.
Let me take it back a bit.
It's filling station. The road is shut down. The road are empty. 4th of November and 24th is awesome. Sit is very high. One of the most busiest roads in Aba. It's turned into a scanty net by pin drops noise can be heard from far. You can see everywhere shut down. Kudos to Biafra government. Wonder. Share this with them, then know. Acceleration is very close. We are winning. We're in top gear. Global News reporting from Aba State. There go.
So that is it. That is sit at home in Biafra land today. So my people, we have come to an end of this. I just want to react to this sit at home and the lady that claimed that in Simon people are very funny. Anyway, tell me what you think about this, and please share it and let it make it go viral. Subscribe if you are new. I want you to subscribe and support us in any way you can on this channel. We have 339, so we are on our way to 400 subscriber. So be part of the family, and God bless you as you do so. Thank you so much, and see you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.